Hello my lovely queens. If you're wondering how I achieved this beautiful Ankara hair drops, take your Ankara 2 yards fabric and sit down with me. Let's do this together. So I'm just going to be creating some folds which are going to serve as my front pleat, and all you're doing is just folding it over each other in your desired amount. Like mine is just a loose pleat. I just take it to the back and cross it at the back in this manner, and you can see I'm rolling one side. I put it under my armpit while I work with the other side, just folding it in a rough place from center to side, and then place it on my head, and then use that small hand to tie the knot in front by the side like this. And I can open up the flair to do something different, but I just decided to tuck in that hand instead of making it more bigger gaily. And then I'm going to be using the short hand that is sticking out and connect it with the hack of this Ankara fabric and use a pin to secure it. And here you have it, your very first style number 1. Very easy and very simple. Give it a try. Let me know what you think about this super simple yet elegant Ankara hair drap style. Ankara hair drap is something that can never go out of fashion. It will always be relevant. So learning different type of Ankara hair drap style with African beautiful fashion and lifestyle is going to be a plus for you. Why not take your material and let's do this together? So this is my style number 1, and as you can see, it is very giving. So now let's do our style number 2. With our style number 2, we're just going to undo the first wrap style, and then we're going to create something using the same base that we have in place. So see the way I'm folding that part. Instead of let it cross to the other side, I am going to pin down this roll side. Like I roll it like a ruffle sheet, and here you have it in a very beautiful way. Just use your pin to hold it in place and you are good to go. Arrange it to frame your face, and it is super simple and easy to achieve. What do you think about these hair drap styles? Will you be giving them a try? And don't forget to share this video with your friends, with your loved ones. This is African beautiful fashion and lifestyle. I teach you DIY hair drap style tutorial every day. Follow me for more. I love you all.